remember my hair in 1990.
Oh, I love that.
Do you know what? I saw, okay, this one. I cut my hair in San Francisco. How did I do it?
How did you did it?
I go ahead.
Green tea and hot sauce.
Water.
I'll be in the bathroom the whole day.
Oh, $7.
I will have an orange shot.
You're supposed to have 10 days for 10 pounds. Only day for 7. Kasi
Be in the bathroom after so many eggs.
ay, oo. Ano sinasabi
Right?
ko na?
You, Helen.
Sarili siyang show.
Same.
Pumupunta ka sa mga sabay.
I have a nicer word. I said orchestra. You turn my orchestra into my
Favorite guest ko yun mo bakit? Kahit mga 2 hours ako bigas. National TV siya. Tuloy pa ba yung show? Tuloy pa ba? Parang nandito na yung show. Parang nalimot nila nandito tayo.
They're all going to be late for school. You know that. All these
Look at the sequence. This is how far we are. Okay, where are we?
Are you serious?
You're here.
I think number 11 pa.
Saan sila Pips at
No, nasa ano na ata, Miss Jane, nasa dito na. Nandun na yan. 11 pa na.
So, nandito
trying to
na
find
sila,
out.
Pips. Pips,
Trying to
tingnan
find
mo.
out.
Eto sila.
If they pass the test or not. If they have a passive. Did you pass? Sharon, are we in the same class?
No, in IS before. Am I in honors? Am I in
Honors
honors?
ba? Honors?
Oh, shucks, Pops. It's in high honors na naman. I'm only in honors.
Oh, Pop is only high honor because she was taller. That's the only reason why.
Oh my God. Wait a minute.
What? I'm here right before you.
I see.
To some college, they've all been such a big influence in my life. And talagang second parents na natin ang mga guro natin. So I'm very honored to be here again this year. Hindi ko po maintindihan dahil because of all of you. And I still believe that teachers in this country should be paid more than what they are already being paid. I'm praying for that time to come na sana po mapupunyan pa rin ang dapat mapupunta sa inyo. But beyond my prayer, that had helped to shape me to the new world.
Sabi ni Mark kanina paglabas, Mark, palabas ako eh.
Lahat naman.
Listen, say,
Diba? Not original. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2.
What is today? September what?
Don't change
Me
something.
too. Pinapalitan.
Why?
What do you miss about
What's
each
that?
other?
Well, you better remember. What's September 22?
You better-
No.
Oh.
It's September 20.
Is
It's a day to remember.
No, it's not a day to remember. It's the day before.
September 23 is what?
Oh my God, there's something that you're missing out on. September 23, what?
If we're gonna be a team, we need to know. Is first?
It's something that we remember now. First is.
No, it's supposed to be our 35th.
It would have been.
Am I right or am I right?
Yes, we're
Wow.
here!
Wow.
Hindi naman dito.
Remember
Oh,
the
okay.
that we did?
The ones who are asking each other. Okay, he has to be the one to ask. Okay. What? No. What do you mean?
What do you miss most about me? You have to ask her.
About you?
Not
You
him.
have to ask her.
I don't know.
Me first.
Well, of course, yung kanya, yung I can't deny, no? Yung something is,
Let's think about it.
Yeah, she cooks well. She cooks very well.
Well, I haven't cooked for him in a while.
exactly. See,
What's your
that's-
favorite Sharon dish?
Mark, didn't you miss my cooking?
Her cooking is the best. Pop-Tarts, toast, and hot water.
Burgers.
You could be in the show. You could be one of my daughters. I claim you as my daughter. I taught her everything she knows.
Oh,
Just say yes.
Yes.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Go
Perfect.
I have no idea how people are going to react. All I can say is, napaka-blessed naman ang lahat ng tao na fans namin na nandito ngayon dahil wala silang kamalay-malay. Dahil kanina rin wala rin akong malay. I'm sure wala rin siyang malay. Biglang napag-usapan lang ba? Ganon. So, exciting. It will be the first time in...
mga teachers.
Oh my goodness. Teachers hold a very special place in my heart. Kasi my own teachers were so good to me. They really... So, it's wonderful to be able to do this for them. So exciting. Surprise yun. Na-surprise din kami. So, dahil siguro sila. Yun. I hope it's a happy surprise for them and for all of you. It's also unexpected for us. For me especially. Today was unexpected. I had no idea who was going to be here. I really had no idea. Only that I was going to sing. I didn't know what was going to happen. Whatever had to be fixed has been fixed. It's a gift. And it's a wonderful, I think the timing is right. Because it's for all the teachers that deserve so much more. Mapasweldo. Sana lumaki na talaga sweldo nila. So, and I adore my teachers. They really, oh my God, they worked hand in hand with my parents as I was growing up. I cannot not credit them. So, malambot ang puso ko sa guro. Sobrang malambot ang puso ko sa teachers. And even up to now, my children's teachers, we have maintained relationships with them, Kiko and I, because they've always been involved in that way. Second parents, alam mo yun. So I'm glad that the surprise is going to them. For the first time and forever, this is going to be for them. And I hope it really is a happy surprise for them. You know, things happen in our lives that we don't like, that we don't welcome, that we wish never had to happen. But they do. This is life. Ups and downs, ups and downs. And life is unfair sometimes. But you know what? You always pick yourself up. You move forward and you forgive. And you ask for forgiveness. And move forward, just looking towards the future. There's no other way to do it. When you walk in life, you don't walk backwards, diba? Every single day, you stand up and put one foot on, before the other when you walk. You never do it backwards. So that's the way to handle life itself. I think it frees up a lot of space in your heart when it's big enough to forgive. And it also feels very, very nice when you're also humble enough to ask for forgiveness. Whether you know you hurt this person or you did it deliberately or you have no idea, whatever may have caused anybody in your life pain, you apologize for. Here we go.
Then of all the love teams you see today, this is the original love team.
Talaga? You think we're the original love
We
team?
are. We got married, we had children, and we ended it.
Sandali. Parang may mas original pa sa akin. Original kayo dyan. Oh my God, it's Ate Shawi! I'm sorry, mag-isa lang ako.
What?
Pero maganda kami po sa inyo lahat! Ate Shawi! the first time in forever. Mr. Gabby Concepcion, ladies and gentlemen.
Miss Sharon Cuneta Concepcion nung araw.